In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Zangi account in just a few simple steps. To begin, open the Zangi app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged in. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. It's located just beneath the pencil icon and next to the people icon. Go ahead and tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you find the privacy option and tap on it. Zangi offers a range of privacy related settings here. Not only can you delete your account, but you can also customize how much of your activity is visible to others. For example, you can manage your block list, disable read receipts, scene status, or even hide when you're typing. These are useful if you're looking to maintain more privacy without fully deleting your account. However, if you've decided that you want to permanently remove your Zangi account, simply look for the Delete Account option under the Privacy section, tap on it, and the app will ask you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm by tapping Delete, your account will be removed from Zangi. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're taking a break from the app or leaving it permanently, Zangi makes the process easy and user-friendly. Thank you for watching this video.